Ever scrolled through your bank account and stumbled upon a mysterious neon account? You're not alone. These flashy named accounts are popping up across different banks, leaving many scratching their heads. But fear not, financial friends, because today we're diving deep into the world of neon accounts, decoding what they are, who they're for, and whether they deserve a spot in your financial arsenal. Shining a light on the basics. Let's start with the fundamental question: what exactly is a neon account? Well, unlike a traditional checking or savings account, a neon account is a hybrid. It combines some features of both, offering a blend of easy access to your funds with the potential for higher interest rates than a standard checking account. Think of it as the cool kid at the bank party, a bit unconventional, but potentially holding the key to a more vibrant financial future. Neon perks: why you might want to go glowing. Now, what makes these neon accounts so alluring? Here are some of the key benefits that might entice you to switch or open a new one. Higher interest rates. Remember those measly rates you get on regular checking accounts? Neon accounts often boast significantly higher interest rates, sometimes even approaching what you might find in a savings account. This means your money can actually work for you while you keep it readily available. Convenience with a twist. Just like a checking account, neon accounts typically come with a debit card for everyday purchases and potentially even mobile check deposits. This offers the ease of accessing your funds whenever needed. Goodbye monthly fees. Maybe some neon accounts ditch the monthly maintenance fees that plague traditional accounts. This can be a major win for those with low account balances. But before you dive headfirst, hold on a second, financial adventurer. While neon accounts offer some flashy features, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. Limited features. Unlike a full-fledged checking account, neon accounts might not offer everything you're used to. Features like check writing, bill pay, or extensive ATM networks could be absent. Minimum balance requirements. Some neon accounts may have minimum balance requirements to qualify for the higher interest rates. This could be a deal breaker if you struggle to maintain a specific amount in your checking account. The new kid on the block. Neon accounts are a relatively new product. While some established banks offer them, others haven't quite jumped on the bandwagon yet. This means you might have fewer options when choosing a neon account provider. The neon verdict: is it right for you? So, the big question remains, should you ditch your traditional checking account for a neon glow-up? It really depends on your financial situation and spending habits. Here's when a neon account might be a good fit. You're tired of those low-interest checking account rates. You prioritize convenience and easy access to your funds. You're a savvy budgeter who can maintain any minimum balance requirements.